Center 260. The Lab Center is ideal for CNC training, but also for the series production of small workpieces. The compact and mobile CNC Machining Center offers the full range of functions of a large production machine. The closed work area offers protection, high visibility, and is easily accessible through a large sliding door. The machine frame is made of high-quality grey cast iron and has precise dovetail guides and ball screws in all axes. The Siemens 808 controller offers the ideal entry for CNC applications due to the simple, intuitive operator guidance. The menu structure and programming are based on the operating principles philosophy of the Sinumeric Operate System series, which means that what has been learned can be transferred very easily into practice. With the electronic hand wheel, the operator has an optimal overview when measuring tools and determining machining references. The main spindle rotates continuously between 80 to 5,000 revolutions and can hold tools with ISO 20 spindle taper. Clamping is done pneumatically. The 4-station pickup tool changer enables practice-orientated training of all steps that are necessary for smooth production with several tools. The practical mobile base offers enough storage space for tools and accessories so that everything is in its place, even in changing locations. In addition to the CNC